guys, and welcome back to a brand new video. So today, it's been a while that I didn't record. I had some problems with YouTube themselves, about my channel and like monetization stuff and etc. But everything is fixed now, so I can finally upload again. So yeah, I'm not going to have a decent upload schedule, not like before. So today I'm gonna teach you how to make quests for your Roblox game. So let's do this. So the first thing we're going to make is the GUI for it. Let's call it the quest UI. I don't like calling it GUI. I like calling it UI. I don't know why. I think it's kind of cooler. I don't know. But let's make a button to actually be able to open the menu for the quests. What the hell? Okay, that is weird. I'm not sure what's happening. Ah, there you go. Alright, so let's make the I'm gonna take an image from here, like, isn't there like a good icon for this? Okay, fine, I'll get one of mine. Let's see. I got some quest icons, yeah. There you go. You don't need to call it quests, you can call it tasks if you want. But yeah, everything is customizable. It doesn't matter if it's a image button or text button, it's going to work for both cases. There you go, so that's done, and then now we're going to make the background of the button. Let's make a gradient. I'm going to make the start of the gradient. Actually, first I'm going to make the rotation to 90. So let's make like a blue color, like a blue theme. I guess so it's going to start sky blue, and then it is going to end like this, like so. No, yes, that looks nice. Now let's add UI corner. Maybe not that much. There we go. And then a UI stroke, which looks cool. There you go. And then I also gotta make the where is it? Z index behavior to global, so you can actually see the icon. I might actually make the icon black like this. Yeah, I think that looks a little bit cooler. Yeah, and then now we can actually make the corner like this. Okay, so this is our button done. So now we actually gonna make the frame. So I'm gonna make a small frame here in the bottom corner of the screen, which is going to be our task. Okay, so I'm done with my GUI, and I have also something to tell you. So if you go and test and then device, as you can see, it's not looking good for all of the other devices. Yeah, the GUI, for example, on the iPhone 6 is completely cut off, and I have a solution to fix that and make all the GUI compatible with every device. So if you don't have this plugin already, go to the toolbox, which is inside of Home, and then Toolbox, go to Plugins, and search for auto scale light, and get this plugin. Make sure it's the same icon, and make sure the creator is 𝗤𝗥𝗢𝗏𝗧𝗬. And if it is, just click on it and install it, and it's gonna install it inside of your studio, and you'll be able to use it whenever you're making a game. And we're gonna use it right now. So as you can see, this is before the use of the plugin. As you can see, the GUI is all cut off because the screen of that device is really small. But if we go inside the plugin and then unit conversion, and then if we press in the Explorer on our frame and we do this, we just click on the scale of position and size. As you can see now, well, it is working, but we also gotta do the same with the elements inside of the frame. So we're gonna do that. Let me just rename that to separation line. There we go, and let's see. Alright. So let's do that with the other elements and see if it works. Alright, so as you can see now, the GUI is nice and centered and compatible for all of the devices, not only the iPhone 6. As you can see, I'm just gonna scroll down here. There we go. So yeah, it is working for Xbox One as well. It's just the screen is so big that I have to scroll, but it's working. And now our GUI is compatible for all devices. So now, yeah, every player can actually use your GUI correctly. So yeah, now that we have our GUI done, we also gotta make sure that the 𝗤𝗥𝗢𝗏𝗧𝗬 text is called 𝗤𝗥𝗢𝗏𝗧𝗬, and same for the other text, so quest task, quest reward, and quest progress. And if they're all renamed correctly, we can start scripting. So we are going to insert a script inside of server-script service, and we are going to call it leaderstats. So just follow what I'm doing. Of course, make sure there's no spelling mistake or wrong letters. Like, you know, instead of printing correctly like this, make sure it's not like that. Make sure it's like this, you know, or else it's not gonna work. So yeah, just follow everything I'm typing. There's no doesn't matter if you put spaces here. I just do it so the code actually looks like something. I'm going to add some notes so we know what each part of the code actually does. You don't need to do that, but I think it's really useful to do that. And what I do with most of my codes, I don't put spaces like on top. and bottom, so not like this, but I put spaces like, you know, in the middle. Alright, so once you're done copying this code, we need to add a remote event. So we're gonna add a folder called remotes inside of 𝗦𝗣𝗢𝗐𝗧𝗦 inside of the Explorer, and we're going to add a remote event called give quest. And once you've done that, we are going to go inside the leaderstats script again, and we're gonna do some more coding. So what the hell is that? Okay, I don't know. This is new. This is a new like property or something. Runtime source. Okay, I don't know what that is. But anyways, let's not get distracted. So I'm going to call this a quest handler, and let's actually make some variables because that is pretty useful in scripts. So let's get a variable of the 𝗦𝗣𝗢𝗖𝗑 storage and the remotes, and down here we are going to do remotes with child give quest dot on server event connect function for layer. And I actually forgot to do quite a bit of stuff. So you know, I just do the code and you copy it, and that's all you have to do. Alright, so the whole code is finished, and I'm going to scroll down the code so you can pause the video whenever you want to write it all. So once you copy the entire code, we are going to go back to our GUI and make it unvisible, and we're gonna create a local script called main script inside of the GUI, and we are going to start scripting again. Now this code is going to be pretty small, so don't worry. So first we're gonna get the variables, so local player, local quest, player with quest, local frame is equal to script.parent with frame, local button is equal to script.parent with image button, and then button dot mouse button one down connect function frame dot visible is equal to not frame dot visible, and I'm actually going to change that to open frame. And let's do another variable here called GIS. And then open frame from key or input. Input began connect function key GP if GP then return and if the key dot key code is equal to key enum dot key code dot, I'm gonna say J, then okay, so what I added inside of this script is basically I made it so you can also press J on your keyboard to open the frame, so you don't need to actually press on the button. I think it's pretty cool. If you don't want that, and if you only want to press the button to actually open the frame, just delete this part. Just delete this code, and that's it. That's all you have to do. And we're going to do update frame now. So I'm done with the code, and I'm going to scroll down again to let you pause the video. So once you're done writing that, we can start testing it, I think. So let's play the game, and first we are going to check. So we do have our currency, we have all of the values. Okay, that is working. And if we click here, okay, let's see what's happening. Oh, I think we just did a spelling mistake. So go into the main script, it looks like. Yep, main script line 38 for me. Oh, okay. My bad. I forgot a word. But now it should be updating it, the GUI. It doesn't look like it. Go to line 48 for me, so this one. And that, and then local quest is equal to player with for child quest. And before continuing the code, we are going to insert a folder inside the Bob, aka the rig, and we're gonna call this folder quest config or configuration or quest settings. Let's add a string value inside of here called quest giver name, and we're gonna set the value to Bob, and then quest task, and this is going to be the text that you want to show up when they have the quest. So I'm gonna say kill 5 zombies, and then we're gonna create another value, so just duplicate it and call it quest reward currency folder, and call it leaderstats, and then duplicate it again, and then quest reward currency this time, and set the value to coins, and then create a number value now called quest reward. And let's put that to 100. And I think that's it. Oh yeah, and the quest goal. And since we said kill 5 zombies inside of the task, we're gonna set the quest goal to 5. So now we can continue the script. So quests wait for child quest giver dot value is equal to, and we are also going to create a variable called quest settings is equal to script dot parent wait for child quest settings, and then equal to quest settings of child quest giver name dot value, and then quest giver quest wait for child quest task dot value equals quest settings wait for child quest task dot value, and quest wait for child quest reward dot value equals same thing. Just do the same as me. I know I'm typing fast, but you just have to pause the video. So, like, technically there's no, it doesn't matter if I type fast or not. You can just pause, so it doesn't really, you know, doesn't really matter. Alright, so let's test it now that we finished the code. So if we go into the GUI right now, you will see also, if I press J, as you can see, it's also opening the GUI. But as you can see, it says 0, 0, 0, you know, because we don't have any quests. But if we activate the quest, there you go, my quest. So buy Bob, kill 5 zombies for 100 coins, and my goal is currently at 0 out of 5 since I did not kill any zombies yet. And we're gonna add something. We are going inside of the proximity prompt script. We are going to do player wait for child player GUI, wait for child quest UI, wait for child frame dot visible is equal to true. So that's going to open the GUI for us when we activate the quest, which is pretty cool and makes sense. So now we're actually going to make it so we can progress inside of the quests. So yeah, I made this tutorial very good, and I made it so you can actually like customize every single thing. So the quest giver name, the quest goal, the reward currency, the task, the currency folder, and the reward like number, like amount. So this tutorial is super customizable. I'm gonna insert a zombie inside of the game. We are going, what the hell? Let me remove that sound, bro. We're going to add a script inside of the zombie called quest progression. Now we're going to do script.parent wait for child humanoid dot died connect function, and then local creator tag equals script.parent wait for child humanoid find first child creator, and then if creator tag, then local leaderstats, actually local quest is equal to creator tag dot value, Oh wait, forgot to do something. Then if creator tag dot value, then local quest equals creator tag dot value, wait for child quest, and then quest dot progress, or quest wait for child quest progress dot value plus equals 1. There we go. And then we can do wait 0.1 script remove. So now we're just gonna put 5 zombies and we're just gonna kill them. So we're gonna take the sword from Roblox and make sure that inside of the damage script of that tool, make sure you're creating a object value called creator and parent it to the humanoid when the sword is touched, or else it's not gonna give you the progress. I have a tutorial on that, the sword video. So, oh wait, first we got, okay, I'm dumb. Sorry, I'm stupid. We need to actually activate the quest. Makes sense. So we get the quest, boom. There we go. Now we have the quest on, and as you can see, it's going up. 1 out of 5, 2 out of 5, 3 out of 5, 4 out of 5, and then 5 out of 5. And the coins, we got it. We got 100 coins. Now we got a little error apparently. That's fine. We can fix it in like a few seconds. And I'm able to assign property value string expected got nil. If v is a string value, v dot value equals nil. Okay, I'm not sure what that is. Let's see. Yeah, I'll just do like that. There we go. So yeah, just make sure you change this, or make sure you change nil to that. And we're also going to do in here player, wait for child player, GY, with child quest, UI with child frame, dot visible equals false. Alright, let's see if it's working, shall we? So this is going on pretty well for now. Actually we're like very close to the end of the video. Boom. Got the quest. There we go, and works or not? It works, alright. Perfect. So that is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed. I hope this helped. And make sure to check out my Patreon in the description of the video. That's pretty much the only way you can support me. And I have a few Roblox groups that you can join if you want. Like in the description. Everything in the description. So yeah, pretty cool. See you in the next one. Peace out.